In this video, I will show you how to add motion blur to your edits in Premiere Pro. If this guide helps, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. What's up guys, my name is Kyle from Guidewise. Go to the point in your video where you would like the motion blur to take place and press Command K. This makes a cut in your video. Go over to Effects and type in Zoom Blur Impacts and add that between the 2 points of your videos. Highlight the second clip and go to Effect Controls and increase the scale by 75%. So we will make it 175. Click and highlight the Zoom Blur Impact. Go over to Duration, double click it and type in 20. Scroll down to Vertical and increase that to 60 and increase your exposure to 45. Now if we play our video, we will see our zoom blur take effect. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.